So welcome to my second video and keep watching. You are going to soon see what I actually did with this piece of art. So by making this video, I actually realized how people tend to watch more videos of destructions, whether it is destruction of property, whether it is destruction of economy or human or anyone's life or whatever. The video that actually gets viral more is destruction videos. You get here, it fuels our soul with negativity, and yet we are more excited to watch that. Not only that, I'm not talking about like peak negativity, I'm also talking about horror movies. I mean, we do watch them, though we are scared, but the emotion that we create, that is created through that, we want to watch more of those. Similarly, I feel because of this small nature, we guys have to understand that we always tend to think negative when it comes to any situation. That is human nature, and I think we should be coming out of it. And that is why I started putting a bit more of mud and dirt on this paper. Let's start saying there's this very famous thing, matti pav. And that is when on this paper I started adding sand. I started sprinkling some sand on it. If you can see, I started putting layer on it, and I think that's what we should be doing. I think सारी बातों पे ना मट्टी पाओ. We should be ending those negativity. We should understand the human nature and come to more positive side, because I understand we do get excited with this negativity. We do get excited with all the false stories that we create, but trust me, life is much easier and we are the least important thing in this whole world. So start putting your energy on the right spot. So my work is coming to its end, and I am going to soon add one more layer to it, more about how an artist expresses their emotions. So sometimes we do write artist statement. In my case, what I do is I record videos and I record audios. The end step is right here. What I actually did in the end is what would actually happen to all the material thing in this world. Do you really think that the thunderstorm and what the God will is there? Do you think anything is going to save us from that? No, right? So my little bit advice for today is, well, Muharram is coming and we are keeping our shops and our businesses closed in the reverence of Muharram al-Haram, because we believe that what we are doing is not closing our business but rather growing it, because in the end the money is just a paper. Invest on the things that is going to last forever. Thank you for watching Manvi Takes.